To find your DoorDash order history, open the DoorDash app on your iOS or Android device. Navigate to the Orders tab, where you'll see a chronological list of your past deliveries. Each entry includes the date, items ordered, total cost, and delivery address. To view a receipt, tap on the specific order. From there, you can access a downloadable PDF of the receipt or view it within the app. Recent updates include AI-powered search for order history using natural language queries, and receipts now feature QR codes for easy sharing or printing. You can also opt for digital-only receipts. Reordering on DoorDash is a streamlined process. From the Orders tab, select the past order you wish to repeat. Tap the Reorder button, which will add the items to your current cart. Before confirming, you have the option to modify the order, such as adjusting quantities or removing items. Once you're satisfied, proceed to checkout. This feature leverages cached order data for efficiency and integrates seamlessly with payment methods like Dash Pay for faster transactions. DoorDash's AI anticipates reorders based on your past habits, potentially suggesting refills or similar items.